we are doing this again, and in the last one we unlocked the race where we go up against Candice. So let's go up against Candice now. Of course, this is a 2-car race, so it's obviously gonna be me against Candice, which Candice is first. I think I have to drift here, but I don't know how to drift. That's the thing. Because on these turns, there's a lot of drifting ones, and I don't know how to drift. Like, I do not know how to drift. Did that person just take a shortcut? I don't know. She's really far away, which is kind of bad for us, because we could lose, which ain't good. Like, oh my god. That's not good. That is so not good. Wait, am I going the right way? No, I'm following Candice. This ain't the right way. Now we're going the right way? Wait, what? Wait, were we going the right way? Or we're near Candice. Yes! Yes! We did it. We passed Candice. Candice sperogis. Okay. Here's the part that we sucked at. Oh, there we go. We just need not to know how to drift, and then we'll be good at this game. Ow. Because that tutorial told us nothing. No, game! Oh my god. Okay, so we took that shortcut, which actually helped us, which I'm glad about, because we just hit a wall. The game didn't even help us. Oh god. We're at the drift points, I think. Yep. We're at the drift points. That's why we sucked. Oh, my arm's really hurt. This is a very long track. Is Candice Sperogis near us? Because it looks like that she is getting close. We just hit a lot of cones there. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. I'm going to take that shortcut again. So don't hit a wall. Because that's the only reason why we took that shortcut. Because the wall. We didn't take the shortcut. Because we don't know how to drift in the game. Yeah, she took the shortcut, I feel like. She's nowhere near us, which is actually sort of good, because I don't want her to be near any of us. So we are doing good. That's just a shortcut. Game! Game! Oh no, shoot! Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh god. Oh, flipping hell, game. Oh, now we're gonna suck. Oh god. Why didn't I think about this before? I knew that we would do bad. Just knew it. That shortcut was the only thing that helped. That shortcut helped so much. Oh my god. How did we do that? No, Daddy promised that I never lose. I'm calling him right now. Daddy, I want new tires, new paint, new everything. And I want it. Now. Out of my way, you paparazzi. Daddy just opened a new slew of platinum accounts on Romeo Drive. One plan on maxing out everyone. Ready Sprints 2 unlocked. Oh! So that's how you unlocked all of it. Oh! Is that how you get candis? So now we can be candis sperogis. So X, mark it. Oh, that's nothing. Postcard events. What? Wait, so how can we be candis sperogis? What? Options. Wait. Yes, we want the drift.